Children, today we are going to learn about animals. Here we have on this page domestic animals. Okay, so in domestic animals we have here buffalo. A buffalo is a domestic animal. It lives on farms and gives us meat and milk. Very useful for us. Therefore, we have to circle this buffalo. Okay, children. I am circling the buffalo. Now next we have is the crocodile. A crocodile is not a domestic animal, so you will not touch it. It's a wild animal. Then we have a goat. A goat is a domestic animal. It gives us meat, it gives us milk. Very useful for us, so we shall circle it. Next we have a tiger. A tiger is a wild animal, so we will not circle the tiger. Cock and hen are domestic animals. They live on farms. The cock and the hen, we get meat from them, and also the hen gives us eggs. Therefore, we circle the cock and hen. Now next we have an eagle. Eagle is a bird. It's a wild bird. Okay, so it's not a domestic animal. Pigeon is a domestic animal. Some people eat the meat of pigeons. They are domestic. They are kept as pets also. So we circle pigeon. A goat, a donkey is a domestic animal. A donkey carries loads. It is kept on the farm. It's very helpful to the farmer. So a donkey is a domestic animal. We circle the donkey. And last of all, we have camel. Camel is also a domestic animal. It gives us meat, it gives us milk, as well as it carries loads, heavy loads from place to place, especially in the desert. So we can circle this. Okay, so these are the domestic animals which have been circled. Now we go to the next one. Okay, here we have next picture is of wild animals. Now wild animals are animals that live in the jungle. They grow wild in the forest, in the jungle. Now lion is a wild animal. So we have to tick the wild animals. Tick. Now I am going to tick it. Small tick. Okay. Next we have a horse. A horse is it's not a wild animal. It can be domesticated. Okay, so it's not a wild animal. So we will not tick this. Next we have a bear, which is a wild animal, and we will tick the bear. So a lion has been ticked, a bear has been ticked. A deer also grows in the wild. It is a wild animal, so we will tick it. A dog is a domestic animal, pet animal, useful animal, so we will not tick the dog. Elephant is a wild animal, so we will tick it. And this is the cow, which is a domestic animal. It gives us meat, it gives us milk, it lives on the farm, therefore we will not tick. So the animals that are ticked are lion, deer, bear and elephant, wild animals. Okay, children. Next we have aquatic animals. Now aquatic animals are animals that live in water. So we have over here a lobster. A lobster lives in the water. So we have to circle the aquatic animals. We will circle it. Then we have, I'll circle it again, children. Okay. Then we have a walrus. A walrus is a aquatic animal. It lives in the water. Okay, but it does come on the rock or on ice. It does come outside. It can survive outside for some time, but it's a aquatic animal. So we shall circle the walrus. Then a dolphin also lives in the water. So a dolphin is an aquatic animal. Now we have cow. Cow lives on land. So therefore it is not an aquatic animal. A bird. Bird also lives on land, flies in the sky. It's not an aquatic animal. A tortoise is not an aquatic animal. It lives on land only. Okay. Very few, they are called turtles when they live in water. Now if you see the feet of this, these are not like flippers. Okay, they have toes here kind of. Okay, so they are not turtles, and therefore tortoise lives only on land. We will not circle it. Now an octopus lives in the water, so we will circle the octopus. Oh dear. This has been circled. This has been circled. Dolphin has been circled. And now we are circling the octopus. And last of all, we have a sea lion or a seal. Seal is also an aquatic animal, lives in water. Therefore, we will circle a seal. Now, next we have this lesson here, and we have 3 questions. If you wish, you can leave a line after this answer, after the first answer. What are domestic animals? Animals that are tame and kept as pets are called domestic animals. But let me tell you, animals that live on farms are also domestic animals because they are useful for us. What are wild animals? Animals that live in the jungle are called wild animals. There has to be an S over here. What are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Okay, so these are the 3 questions. You can leave a line after the question. I wrote on 1 page, so it's easy for me to teach you. Next we have name the following: 2 domestic animals, cow, dog. Easy ones for you to learn. 2 aquatic animals, octopus, sea lion. 2 wild animals, lion, bear. And 2 animals that give us milk, cow, goat. Then we have the next page which says yes or no. There were many, but I have only given you 5. Some animals give us food. I explained to you, children, that there are some animals, from them we get food, so yes. Birds should be kept in cages. Should we keep birds in cages? No. Insects have 6 legs. Yes. Yes. Wild animals are kept as pets. No. They are living in the wild, in the jungles, in the forest. They live there, so they cannot be kept as pets. We should harm animals. No. Okay, children, so we finish with this, the lesson. Thank you.